In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use a text-to-speech reader in Google Docs using the Chrome Web Store extension. Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. This tool can be incredibly helpful for proofreading your work or just for a hands-free experience when reviewing documents. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. If it's not your default browser, make sure you have it installed, as we'll be using the Chrome Web Store to get the extension we need. Once you have Chrome fired up, navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can easily find it by typing Chrome Web Store in the search bar at the top of the browser window. This will bring you to the online marketplace for extensions, themes, and apps for your Chrome browser. Next, click on the Chrome Web Store link from the search results. You should now see a page filled with various tools and extensions within your reach. In the search bar on this page, type in Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice reader. This is the extension we're going to install, which will let us listen to our Google Docs. Once you've found the Read Aloud extension in the list, you'll see an option to Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click on it. Chrome will ask you to confirm the installation. Just click Add Extension once prompted. This installs the Read Aloud tool into your Chrome browser, where you can easily access it through your toolbar. Now that the extension is installed, let's move over to Google Docs. You'll need to sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. After logging in, open any document you'd like to have read aloud. You can either create a new document or choose an existing one from your drive. When you're ready, highlight the text you want to be read aloud, or simply have the document open if you want the entire thing read. Navigate to your toolbar and look for the Read Aloud icon. Clicking on this icon will begin the reading process using the selected voice to make your listening experience just right. You might want to tweak the settings a bit. Click on the settings option within the Read Aloud extension. Here you will find adjustments for voice, speed, and pitch. Experiment with these settings until you find a combination that best suits your listening preferences, and there you have it. You've successfully set up a text-to-speech reader in Google Docs, allowing you to listen to your documents rather than reading them on the screen. This is a great way to catch errors you might overlook otherwise, or simply to enjoy your documents in a new way. Thanks for joining me today, and happy listening.